This beautiful 2-story home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full and 2 half baths, a partially finished basement, and a 3-car garage. Located on a cul-de-sac lot in the Coves at West Lakes, this home is close to the YMCA, the Aboit Trails, and Indian Trails Park. You'll be sure to notice the tile flooring featured in the foyer, half bath, kitchen, and breakfast room. The spectacular kitchen has granite countertops, a large island, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, granite backsplash, a large eating area, and a formal dining room just off of the kitchen. The home has a new large window that showers the kitchen and eating area with wonderful natural light. The great room boasts a wall of windows, newer engineered hardwood floors, and built-in cabinets on both sides of the fireplace with new air stone face. The lower level consists of plenty of storage space, but is also ready to entertain with a kitchenette and wet bar, a half bath, custom display lighting with boxed out area, and also located in the daylight basement is a beautiful built-in recreation area, totally refaced with air stone and wired for sound. Upstairs is where you'll find the master bedroom featuring a double vanity, garden tub, large his and her closet, and ceiling fans throughout. The other bedrooms and double sink bathroom can also be found on this level. The home offers a nice sized yard with a fire pit, elevated backyard deck, and covered front porch, so there's something to enjoy through every season. In addition to all of the wonderful features of this home, many updates have been done to maintain its well-kept condition. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing property, call Greg Adams today.